Hello, my name is Jody Samuels, and welcome to Week 8 of the FX Trader's Edge Trade of the Week series on the Forex market. I was an institutional trader for a major U.S. investment bank for 14 years, and now host an online trading room focusing on Elliott Wave analysis every day through Trading Post Financial Services. I also provide one-on-one coaching services through my FX Trader's Edge coaching program. To find out more about the Elliott Wave course, online trading room, or my coaching services, please go to tradingpostfinancial.com or send me an email directly at jody@fxtradersedge.com. 2 weeks ago, we highlighted a trade taking on the EUR/AUD, and last week we talked about finding the end of a trend by doing the work, mentally preparing for it, and taking the trade. This week, we recommended a sell trade on the EUR/AUD based on the end of a trend move to the FX Trader's Edge online trading room, and I'm told that several traders benefited from the trade from between 85 pips and 275 pips. It just goes to show that every trading temperament is different. People trade with different styles and have varying risk profiles. What that means is that each trader will interpret their trade in their own way and trade it according to their risk profile. In other words, some traders will get out of the trade when they see 100 pips profit. Great trade, thank you very much, on to the next one. And others will set profit objectives and look to maximize the profit potential from the trade. I think you will enjoy this week's Trade of the Week on the EUR/AUD cross, and thank you again, Mick, for being instrumental in coming up with the trade plan for this currency pair. And congratulations to all those in my room who took the trade. By the way, next week's Trade of the Week is going to be on the yen pairs. Heads up, because a few of them are setting up for nice moves again. Let's start with the Elliott Wave count on the 4-hour EUR/AUD to see where we are in the big picture. We traded up for 5 waves. You can see the purple wave counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as we know, after every 5-wave move, we have a retracement. The zigzag pattern, which is one corrective pattern and actually one of my favorite patterns, initially moves down in 5 waves for the A leg, up for 3 waves for the B leg, and down again in 5 for that killer C leg. In this example, at the beginning of the week, we had traded down in 5 waves and up in 3, and we were looking to capture that C wave move down. So you can see where we've circled around the B leg. The end of the B leg, we were looking for that C wave down. So this is another example of finding the end of the trend, mentally preparing for it, and setting up the trade. Now we're going to go down to the hourly time frame. This is the 4-hour, and we're going to look at that B wave, the end of the B wave, in more detail. So one way to look for the end of the trend is to look for divergence, moving average crossovers, and Elliott Wave counts. Suffice it to say that we determined that this was the end of the trend and that we were going to come up with a way to enter the trade. And the one of the ways to enter a trade without picking a top or picking a bottom is to use the 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern, and that in fact is exactly what we did. So let's move on to the 15-minute to zoom in on exactly how we took this trade. So now we've zoomed in on the end of the B wave, and we've noted that that is the point 1. The initial move down was the point 2. The move up was the point 3, and we were looking for a break of the point 2 to take the trade. We were in the room this week talking about this trade, set our orders in our trade stations, and boom, we were all triggered into the trade upon a break of that horizontal line against the point 2 at 168.94. So the sell was triggered at 168.94. The initial profit objectives targeted 165.50. And as you can see, we traded down. The low so far has been 166.05. We have our stop losses in place, and that was the trade. So again, some of the students made, or some of the Forex traders in the room made, between 85 pips and 300 pips on this trade. The key was to find the end of the trend and use a 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern for entry and stick to the trade plan. This is the end of the Trade of the Week comment. Happy trading. Once again, to find out more about the FX Traders Edge online trading room, please contact me at Jody@fxtradersedge.com. Thank you very much.